Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So right now we're going to be working on feeding calves. So I'm just gonna make some grain for the weaned heifers that aren't on milk right now. Get them fed, and then by the time I get that done, I can get milk out for the calves that need milk. Calf grain and heifer feed. This is calf grain that I'm putting. I don't know if you can see it. I'm putting calf grain in right now, and I put a bunch of heifer grain, weaned heifer grain. Okay, everybody. Now you guys can see that I'm gonna go feed these guys. You can see they're waiting for their grain, so I'm gonna go get it for them. Alright, got them fed. Okay, so now that we got them fed, I'm gonna be going to get milk from the milk house, and you'll be able to hear the milk pump. So it's gonna be kind of loud in there, so I won't be talking until I get out, but I'm gonna get milk out of the line, then show you the process of making the pails and feeding them. So this is and I figured I'd show you that this is our calf shed for the hutches. It's got our seed in there too. It's got corn seed, and I think it's all corn in here right now. And our show box for when we show. Some calf jackets, dry cow feed here, and calf grain right there. So yep. Okay guys, so hopefully you guys can hear me now. It's loud in there, it's a milk pump. So we got 2 pails for our not our smallest, but our smallest calves that are in the pail. And then we got bottle calves yet, but okay, I got it. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be feeding them. Okay guys, 2 more pails. I got 4 more calves to feed after this for milk in the pail. These 2, I got those 2. So I actually have 3 more pail. And then I got 3 more bottles to do. So I'm gonna get those 4 pails done, get back to you guys when I am feeding a bottle probably. Okay guys, so now in the barn, as you can see, all the milk cows. So right now I gotta push all their feed up, and then we got a feed cart, and we're gonna feed them a bunch more mix, like a cartload, just so that they're good for the night. So yeah, I guess I finished that. Okay guys, so now we got all them girls fed. We got 2 dry cows right here, 2 girls. So I'm just gonna give them a bale of hay. You guys can see that. Okay, they're all fed. Now, barn. Oop. There we go. Okay, barn is done. So I'll shut the lights off soon once my mom gets done at the end of the barn, clean the box stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go up, stop to the heifer barn. Like I saw, like if you didn't see it in my last video, go watch that. But there was a whole process of doing that. It's not all that, it's just half that. We don't have to do everything I did in that video, but if you want to see that, go check that out. And this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna start getting back into videos. Haven't done them in a while, and hopefully I get better and better every time. So yeah, see ya.